In today's video, I want to show you how you can pin a comment on Instagram on Android. So all you need to do to pin a comment is to go to one of your posts. I'm just going to go to this one here, and then you go to the comment section and you find the comment that you want to pin. And I'm going to pin this first one, and all I need to do is hold down on the comment, and then that little blue bar appears at the top. All I need to do is tap on that little icon, that pin icon, tap on that. That's going to pin my favorite comment, and it's going to notify the person who wrote it. So I'm going to pin that comment, and then that comment is now pinned. Now I believe on iOS devices you will need to hold down and then slide your finger to the left, and then you'll be able to pin the comment that way. So if you got some value out of this video, please smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and technology every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in tomorrow's video.